Hi guys, welcome to the Listen channel. In this video, I want to share you how to make this exercise, and it's also known as universal base. Okay, here the dimension for this part, and then let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from right hand, click, and then go to sketch. For the next step, click to this circle. Click to this midpoint line and make it for horizontal line. Click the smart dimension and then make it for 64 mm, and then click to this circle, and I want to make for 110 mm for this diameter value. Then apply, looks, and then connect to this from this point until connect to the circle. Right click, then click select, click on mirror entities, mirror about, expand for this toggle, click on front plane. From this entity to mirror dialog box, click to this line, apply, look, the line is connected. Let's delete for the unnecessary line by click trim entities. Make sure trim to close is selected, then click to this line, apply. Let's give for the thickness from the sketch by click on feathers, revolve both. Look, this is from this dialog box is 360 degrees. Let's change for this one, and then from the axis of revolution, select it for this line, and then change for this down blind option to midplane, and change for this degree to 120 mm. Then apply. Click to this one and make it a normal tool. Right click, then click select, sketch. For the next step, let's click to this circle, click smart dimension to change its value, and now make for 12 mm, then apply. Give the distance from this one, and it is 25 mm. Apply. Let's make for the bigger circle, and the diameter value is 30, or it's equal to radius 15, and then apply. Click to this line from this point, and then trim entities, then select for this one, apply. Give a feathers, then exit brush. Change for direction and change for 12 mm for its thickness. Apply. From this one, let's give for mirror about, mirror face, expand for this toggle, and set for front plane. Then apply. Okay, let's give for the sketch from this surface, by click for sketch. Ctrl X to make it a normal 2. Then from this point, let's click a smart dimension and make it for the distance, and it is 12 mm. Then apply. Okay. Done. Look, from this sketch, it's guide us to make for the reference geometry for new plane. Press and hold the control button, click to this line, and then to this point. Reference geometry and then click plane. So a new plane is appeared in here, and then apply. From this plane, right click and then click select. Make it a normal 2 by press and hold the control button, then X. Okay, let's start give for this toggle and midpoint line. Let's see, there's the information for radius is 12 mm. So it will make for diameter to 24. Then apply. Then 3-point arc. Click to this point and connect to this point. Click a smart dimension. Make sure it is 12 mm. Enter. Fly. Let's cut for this body by click feathers, then go to the extrude cut. Look for a raw direction and then change from this reverse direction, and then change for this option to draw all, and then apply. Okay, let's hide for this sketch and this plan too. Look, this extra cut only for this one side. Let's copy to these sides by click a mirror, then mirror face or plane, and it is select for right plane, and feathers to mirror. Just click to this extrude cut. Look, the yellow sketch will appear, and then apply. Okay, finally the part is done. If you want to change for its appearance, let's click for this icon. For example, I want to click to this toggle and go to metal, steel, and I want to click for matte steel. Sorry, just click this one part and go to the icon. From this steel, let's select for matte steel, apply. Let's make it for shadow maybe. Well, the part is done. I hope you can follow my tutorial clearly, and if you have a question you can write from the comment below. You can find for some exercise from my playlist in this channel. You can search at Solidworks CAD. Okay.